This checked candle glass is laser engraved, not printed, and I'm sharing the exact settings so you can recreate it. I'll walk you through everything, but there is one critical setting that is the one that saves you from wasting blank glass. Last setting equals clean glow or ruined glass. Let's get started. We are starting in Canva. This design was created in ChatGPT by a simple prompt of asking for a black check design. I doubled this in Canva, lined it up, and added the candle artist way at the end. My giving chat my diameter of my vessel, it converted it to 9.6 inches wide and 3.6 inches high, so we resized our Canva design to this size. Next, we have imported our design into our Laser Pecker software. We are choosing 100 height, which will give us the diameter of our vessel. This measurement is in millimeters. Our settings for engraved glass is diode laser, 4K, 100 power, and 8 depth. This is true for every color vessel except white. Now, here is the setting you do not want to miss. Click over on the left-hand side where it says Effects. The default is dithering. We are choosing Fill for this design. This is critical. This will make sure the squares are completely see-through, so the white of the wax shows through. Miss this step and your design won't have that see-through look. Now just watch the magic happen. After, we will clean each vessel with rubbing alcohol to remove all the dust. The final result is elegant, sophisticated, and timeless. Reminds me of one of my favorite home decor designers. If you can guess who, type it in comments. If you want a complete list of all the supplies you will need for engraving and sublimation, it's included in my book, The Candle Artist Way. Available at cost until supplies run out.